Aloha, and welcome to the rainforests of the Big Island, where heavy mists and rains pass through forests and fields, where the most active volcano on Earth continually creates new lands extending out into the great Pacific Ocean, and where ancient plants grow on barren lava fields, creating new forests for the future. Being the most isolated landmass on Earth has made this such a unique place. This forest contains some of the most rare and unique species of plants and birds in the world, all evolving here in isolation. Also evolved is an ancient culture, an ancient style of living with nature, not separate from the source, but with reverence for all things. And it is from this place that we bring forth our flower essences and our company, Hawaiian Rainforest Naturals. My mother and I started this company over 20 years ago and have been trained by Kahuna La'au lapa'au, master Hawaiian healers who use plants for medicine. By using specific Hawaiian practices and protocols, we have created our own style of making flower essences that bring forth the healing energy of these forests, of this island, of this place. And our flower essences contain this special energy. The flowers we use in our essences grow on the slopes of active volcanoes. We gather our flowers from native forests that have little or no human contact. These forests have a unique and special energy, raw and ancient, that can be felt and experienced. The flowers that we use for our essences also contain this energy and therefore are in our flower essences. Their healing and subtle effects can help you to release your past and bring more joy and aloha and more love into your life. Our teacher, our kumu, Kahuna lapa'au Morna Simeona, was designated by the state of Hawaii as a living treasure. She was a speaker to the United Nations and spoke about ho'oponopono, the process of creating peace in yourself, and taught the people of the United Nations to create peace in themselves so that they may create peace in the world. She taught us that we are the sum total of our experiences, and when we have unresolved conflicts and experiences in our past, our energy becomes trapped there. Flower essences can aid us in healing these areas and accessing these hidden areas of energy so that we can make pono, or peace, with ourselves. And then those areas that were once blocked can now become filled with more love and aloha, and that you may experience the power of the present. Flower essences are extractions of the healing vibrational qualities of flower blossoms. They will help you to let go of the past and help to balance and soothe your emotions so that you can make new choices about your life and move forward with new energy, better results, and joy and happiness. Flower essences can help us release hurtful and fear-filled memories from the past. And once released, then we can be filled with the health and vigor and peace of the present. The more we express and honor our spirit's true nature, the more that we can honor and heal our beloved Papa Honua, Mother Earth. Mahalo. Thank you. Thank you so much for helping us to share these healing remedies with the people of the world. He lau na kua, he mano, he kini. The gods are everywhere in everything. There are more gods than leaves on the trees, than fish in the ocean, than stars in the sky. And there is a God in you. Let our flower essences help you express that. Mahalo. E kohuma lokoa ohale mau. E mauna pue ola ola ne. E pele 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 pele. E pele pele hua ina. na hua ina ku. Pahu pahu ha mai o kalani ani. Pahu pahu ha mai o kalani ani. Hei no hi aka I ka pole o pele.